What's going on, everybody? Here is a one-of-a-kind 1995 Malibu Sunsetter. This is their 20-foot ski boat. It's got the wedge on the back. Love this boat. This is a one-owner boat. Original title from 1995. Has the walk-through bow, which is a nice little feature for this older ski boat. Put that in aftermarket. Let's walk up here. Interior is in great shape. Only a few blemishes on this boat. Lots of room. Pylon, depth finder, all your gauges. Owner estimates about 650 to 700 hours on this thing. The trailer is a 2013 trailer. He just bought a brand new spare tire for it. And it has the big engine. 350 mag, EFI. Clean engine here. Really nice boat. Put a couple new speakers in here. But yeah. Come check this thing out.